Here is everything I got at the Pokemon Center at Worlds 2025 in Anaheim, California. First of all, we got this giant cooler bag, which thankfully I bought because it was able to fit under my seat as my little personal item. And also thankfully, it's very light because it is full of Pokemon plushies. Spoilers ahead. First up, we've got the exclusive Anaheim 2025 hat with the varsity jacket Pikachu. It does say Pokemon World Champions 2025 on the back, and I would say it looks pretty snazzy in all its colors. We were able to sign up ahead of time for a Nintendo Warp Pass exclusive to the Worlds event. You could do a demo of Pokemon Legends ZA, which is coming out later this year, available on the Switch and the Switch 2. So we got this neat poster. Also got a little drawstring bag, which I think is buried in my other suitcase. It basically just has this design printed on the cover of it. But this is the poster, and it is two-sided. Look at all those Mega Pokemon. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Next up, we were able to pick up a couple of booster bundles, I should say, which contain 6 booster packs each of the Shrouded Fable TCG. This is our Spectator Pass that we received, and we did manage to collect all of the Pin Rally pins by trading. I love the pin trading that was available at this Pokemon Worlds. There were different instructions on how to get the different pins. So for example, this one you had to trade with a content creator, this one you had to start the pin trading. You got the little instructions to begin with. Some of the other ones you had to trade with staff. You had to find specific booths throughout the entire convention center. So we were able to get those. And this one I actually received from the pin trading area itself. I had brought a Team Instinct pin with me because I had opened a bunch of those Pokemon Go TCG boxes a while back and I had some extras. So I figured I would bring one with me to Worlds, as I did see they had pin trading. So I was able to snag this nice vintage Palkia. The person that put this up did actually put up Dialga and Palkia, but someone had taken Dialga almost immediately after she had put it up. So shout out to this person. Love the pin trading. Also not specifically from the Pokemon Center, but the third-party vendors that were available had some very unique plushies, including this super unique Mime Jr. plushie. It is from Japan specifically. This one is not in my collection yet, so I saw it and it was adorable and I had to adopt him immediately. So yay, welcome to the collection, Mime Jr. And speaking of collections, we're growing quite a collection of Pikachus over here, and we have now added the Rockstar Pikachu to our collection. This one's very unique, very stylish, and will be living with the very other stylish Pikachus that we have. And of course, this one is the World's Pikachu itself for 2025 Anaheim. We were very lucky to be able to snag one, and this jacket here is very, very cute. And it is a boy Pikachu because it does not have a heart on its tail. More exclusive plushies from Worlds 2025 is the Machamp, one I wasn't originally thinking about, but I saw it in person and I was like, oh, Machamp is cool. Look at his arms. Look at the detail. Look at that. And the little varsity jacket is excellent, so we're adding this one to the collection as well. Next up is the Fennekin, also exclusive to Worlds 2025 in Anaheim. It's got its own little varsity jacket as well, which is pink. It's really cute. It's got his big old ears here and looks adorable. The Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff with a big old bow, which does exist in Pokemon Go already, but this plushie is exclusive, once again, to Pokemon Worlds 2025 in Anaheim. So we snagged this exclusive one and added it to our collection. And the last thing we have is, it is the milkshake glasses. This is one of them. It has Jigglypuff, and the bottom is blue, and the other one has a yellow base, which has Pikachu on it. So here we are with our exclusive Worlds merch. Let me know in the comments down below what you would have snagged. Is there anything you see that I didn't get that you're really excited that you got? Let me know. And thanks for watching.